Oh yeah?
The boys are back, baby. Come on.
Gage Bowl, Topeka, Kansas. We back.
We back, baby. Come on. Should have done this by.
Plastic ball.
Long ass arms. You're better at this than me. All I know is this, regardless of the bowling, they're playing bangers right now, dude. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Scores are lower. Packy's 40 over, I'm 40 over, Frankie's even. I don't feel like they're that hard, but we also think they're that hard. I don't know, it's a weird start to the day, but I think we're bowling all right, so. And Frankie is thrilled to be here.
Word for today? Patience. They ain't easy. I thought they were easy. They're not. So completely changed the game plan from hooking it to playing a little straighter. So 9's good, and unfortunately, this is what my score looks like. I said 9 was good. Now when you get 9, every shot for 199.
What did he say?
Got 1.
1.
All right, Frank, we got a question for you from Josh. Not even gonna try and pronounce that. Are Canadians, as in general, as polite as the stereotypes make them seem?
Yeah, I would say so. Except when we're driving. Then, no rules.
A little bit of that big city road trade going on. All right.
What?
Let me see what Belmo's got in store here.
Alright.
Delete that, delete that. We don't want to delete that.
All right, well, after game 5, I'm like 62 over, but before that, I was in 6th. My 199 moved me up a spot. I think Kevin was in like 5th or 4th, or he was close to the ladder. We both good games, so we're probably both in the top 4. Frankie was leading.
Leaders.
So we're probably all in the Stepladder now. We just gotta get one more good game in, and then we will bowl a game of low ball. So that's all we'll do. chains. Favorite non-PBA win?
Favorite non-PBA win?
You better answer this correctly.
I am not going to say Springfield. No.
Oh my god.
11th place.
I'm going to say
-6.
the Masters at the World Championships.
7th place. At
Winning gold for
-2.
Canada, never gets old. You get to hear the national anthem.
Zach
On top of
Rose.
the world. Felt great. Not
Can I
Springfield
give
doubles.
his real
Not
answer?
Springfield doubles.
His real answer is Springfield Doubles, hosted by his good pal Kevin Williams. He's won it 2 years in a row. That's got to be your favorite win, dude. He's lying. He's lying.
All right, guys. Wow, that's zoomed in. It's even better.
So to answer the question, if anybody wants to bowl Springfield doubles next year, I'm looking for
It's
a
me.
different
I already said I was bowling with you for my own tournament.
To
I
be
already
fair,
called it.
I'm looking for a partner for Springfield doubles. I've
You have
never
to
bowled.
show up to actually meet a partner.
So basically, here's what's going. We all bowled on the same pair. I qualified first, Frankie qualified second, and I don't know how, but this man snuck in third.
Why do you say I don't know how? You make it seem like it was a miracle.
He was-
It was a miracle.
He was pissed and he shot 180 the last game. Yeah, he said, I don't need it, so I'm not gonna get it.
All right, I'm here to break it down for you guys. For starters, still playing bangers, don't forget that. Last time we bowled here, last year, I bowled against Frankie in the stepladder as well, and he beat me. So a little bit of revenge here, and he tripped like 3-4 pins, so yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like,
It's time to throw like 6 messengers at him and say, you deserve it.
exactly. So he's warming up now. Let's get it. And then the winner gets the ball against Pac-Man Jones as he's slow wheeling a plastic ball. He should have never made that video. Now he thinks he can just throw plastic on anything.
Well, me versus Frank the Tank in the final here. Kev got dropped by Frank. The right side's walled, so pray for me here in the title match.
Right is walled.
The right's walled.
Step 4.
It gave him 8. Let's spot him. We're gonna spot those, right?
Spot those.
It gave him 8.
14, come on, give me a chance now, Becky.
I'm not having that. It's called touch. It's called touch. Left side is what? back-to-back splits. Oh, my bad. It's not back-to-back splits, is it?
Is you mad?
All I'm saying is the right side is absolutely impossible. I've labeled every shot I've thrown for 96 in the fifth, and my guy is over there tripping 4 10s.
Labeled shots up 10 outside of 3.
Just wait for this. You better find 236. 127.
Got the dub, got the video edited. I need you guys to sub the channel down below for number 3. And then I will see you guys tomorrow on bowling doubles with Kevin. Same bowling alley, different pattern. Hopefully another good result for Packy and Kev. And until then, peace.